What's going on? This is Darren Johnson, strongmoneyplan.com. Today's video is going to be kind of short, but I wanted to pass on some very important information to you. If you find yourself missing a trade or not knowing where a trade is, you've got my Copy Pro Traders cryptocurrency trading log, and you're following along as your trader goes in and out of positions, but you come across a trade, a sell order, and you can't find the buy order, or you come across a buy order and you can't find the sell order. So what do you do in that situation? This has actually happened to me recently, and I discovered this trick, so I want to pass it along. Now, if I go into my trading log here, I'm going to show you an example of what I'm talking about. There was a trade that I put on my ledger right here, Cardano for 77. Volume was 77, and I purchased it at, let's see, I put $99.34 in, and then another one happened for $99.33. Now, for the life of me, I couldn't find the sell order on these trades, even though it showed that it was sold in my Copy Pro Traders back office, that Marcus had gone in and closed these trades. I could not find the sell, and I printed out, I'm going to go back over here and show you what I did. I went over here to trades. Actually, I'm sorry. First, let's go here. Okay. I went into trades, and on this list right here, I could not find it. So then I went ahead and clicked on See History. That expanded it so that I could control the dates. I controlled the dates. I clicked here, and I think it was August something or other, so I went ahead and put the date here, and then I did the same thing over here, and then that sorted the list by those trades for that particular time frame. But I still did not see it here for whatever reason. So then I discovered that if you go over here to Ledger, and then you click on all currencies, you can hand pick which coin you want to follow, and it'll highlight and list all the transactions that have happened for that particular coin. So I got rid of this, all currencies, and then I went to Cardano and I clicked here, and then I put in my start date and my end date, and I clicked filter, and lo and behold, it showed me the sell order for Cardano, even though I couldn't find it on the other list. So the point of this video is, if you can't find a trade and you've tried going through your trades, go to Ledger, because it's a much more comprehensive list of everything that you've ever done inside your Kraken account as it relates to buying and selling of coins. So that's the tip that I wanted to pass along to you. Again, if you can't find your trade, try going to the Ledger, and you should be able to identify it there. If you go ahead and sort it, it'll have it there. Oh, and the other thing that I wanted to show you, let's take this one for instance, Polkadot. So let's just say that you were looking for a Polkadot trade and you couldn't find it. You click on this ID, and then you also click on Order, and that's going to be all the information that you need that would have been missing. All right. So that's once you find the coin that you're looking for, click on the ID and then click on Order, and it should have all the details that you're looking for in regards to excuse me, in regards to whether or not it was a buy or a sell. So like for instance, this one is a buy order, and it shows the details. It shows the price that you bought it at, the volume, and how much money you invested in that particular coin. Okay, and it'll do the same for all of them. So hopefully that helps you. This is Darren Johnson, strongmoneyplan.com. As always, if you're looking at Copy Pro Traders and you need a sponsor, feel free to go to strongmoneyplan.com or click the link in the description. I will be happy to be your sponsor. I know a whole lot about Copy Pro Traders, so I can get you up and started. Plus, I've got some killer bonuses that you're going to love, that you're going to get nowhere else but through me. So, and if you're already a member of Copy Pro Traders and you're interested in my cryptocurrency trading log, then go to strongmoneyplan@gmail.com and shoot me over a message, and I'll be happy to respond to you. I'll talk to you in another video.